All right, so our application is running now. So let me quickly go to localhost 800/docs. As admin Swagger give you a nice UI. Fast API give you a Swagger UI, nice Swagger UI for you to access your API with it. So I'll quickly come here and then try logging in. So I'll type my email. Then my password. Then I'll click on execute. Okay. So you can see that it returned the token as a response and then the token type, which is bearer, and then the row for us in this request that we make. So we can actually do this with Postman as well. I think I need to demonstrate that. If your favorite API testing tool is Postman, don't worry. In the next video, I will demonstrate that for you as well.